What does the word home mean to you? For some, it can trigger self-reflection. For others, it is a place where dreams and memories are made. Whatever your idea of a home is, you have the opportunity to grow here. This fine Murray Hill Colonial is designed with growth in mind. The spaciousness of this home is evident, but not overwhelming. Just look at the spaciousness it affords. With living and sleeping areas that are personal and allowing the privacy that the youth of today deserve. It is a home that encourages the inner child of even the adults to come out. This is a home that is looking for its next chapter to be told.